Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video I am going to show you that how to install the Angular and create your first Angular app on the Windows. So we will directly going to the browser and we will be going to the angular.io and then we will be going to the get started here. So then there will be the option of get started again and then we will be and now you will see we have to install the Angular CLI, and to install the Angular CLI we need the npm, which will be the Node.js, and then we can run this command in our CMD like the npm install via g. It means it will be installed globally in our system and it will install the Angular CLI in our system. So I will copy this command here. So we will go to the CMD and we will type this command here. I will directly paste and then we will hit enter and then the Angular will be installed in our system. So guys, now you can see the Angular CLI has been installed. So now we have to create a new Angular app here. So we have to go to the F drive where we can create a new Angular app, and then we will be making a new directory here, mkdir, and then this will be the Angular app, and then the directory has been created, and then we will be moving to the Angular app folder, Angular app, and now we are in the Angular app. And now we will move back to the Chrome in the installation steps, and then we will see here to create a new Angular app we need to run this new command with the ng, which is the new, and then this will be the app name. So we will copy this and then we will go to the CMD again and I will paste this command here, and then the my app will be replaced as the first app. Then I will hit enter again and now our first Angular app will be created in this directory here within a few seconds. And now you will see there is an option that would you like to add the Angular routing here, and then we can click on the Y here. By clicking here and then we can click on the Y and we can press enter because we want a complete Angular app. So I will click again the enter, and now there are options of the CLI like we want the CSS or SCSS or SASS. So we will just directly click on the CSS, which is the normal. Then I will click on the enter. Then you will see the Angular app will be created within a seconds. So guys, now you will see the Angular app has been created in this directory. So we will now move on to the app directory here, cd. This was the first app, and then we will move on to the first app. So now we have to open the VS Code directly from the CMD. So we will do code, we will type here the code and space, and then it will be the dot, and then it will open the VS Code with the Angular app which we have created just now. So we will just press the enter here and then you will see the VS Code will be opening here like this, and we have to enter yes I trust, and then we can go to the terminal tab and we have to select the new terminal here, and then we will, now you can see that terminal is here. Now we can run the app with the npm start. Now you will see the default tab will be in our localhost @4200. So now we will run the npm start and then we will press enter, and now you will see the development server will be opened within a few seconds. So now we can see the app has been compiled. So now we can see the app on the localhost @4200. So I will follow this link. So I will open this link in my Chrome by control and then click on it, and then you will see the link will be opened here. Now you will see our first app here, and now this is the default Angular app which was created with the default template of the Angular. So guys, now the Angular app has been created for us. And guys, if you are facing any issues building the app or installing the Angular, then you can ping us in the comments and we will be helping you out. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video, and guys please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials on the Angular. Thank you guys.